极端气候天灾不断哦，美国就有动保团体建议讲，有饲动物伴的主人嘛，爱替宠物来准备避难包，平常时哦，嘛当来训练宠物乖乖啊踮伫笼仔内底，为避难来做准备。
看了这古锥的猫仔，本来即摆心情拢有变较好。人类甲这个猫仔、狗仔、动物当做上好朋友，毋若斗阵享福也共患难。全球一直传出极端气候灾情，也叫醒大家防灾警觉心。伫做好家己的防灾准备同时，也毋通忘记爱维护你饲的这动物的安全。
Now, some of those things that you already have around the home, you want to have at least 2 weeks' supply of food and water. You want to have their medications. You also want to make sure you have a printed copy of their vaccinations. So if you do need to evacuate, there are a lot of places that will welcome your pet, but they want to make sure that you have the proper vaccinations.
做到灾难侵袭的现场，一般拢看无人。防放杀往往是真可怜的鸟狗这的动物。休斯顿防止虐待动物协会讲，若要避免灾难发生时，家所饲的动物散开去，上好的方式是提早来进行防灾准备，除了家己的救难包甲必需品，所饲的这动物用品也要传落好。
Let's make sure that your pet has a collar, an ID tag, and a microchip. And that microchip needs to have the most up-to-date contact information just in case your pet does get lost.
平时嘛，具备这个防灾意识，保持厝内底环境路线畅通，同时尽早训练鸟狗这的动物，用点点关伫个笼仔内底，当紧急撤走时才袂来疯狂。2024年5级的飓风米尔顿侵袭美国南部，一只狗仔因用关伫个围篱插点仔淹死，引起社会关心这动物的灾难安全。府长也伫2025年通过相关的法案，禁止伫天灾期间超工放杀这动物，若违反者会牵涉虐待动物，面临罚款甲加禁。公视新闻张淑芬编译。